Hey Cashers, Derek and Jess, Baker 6 Clan.
Nikki, SW Dancer, and Curtis Cam25474.
And we are on a road trip to GeoWoodstock!
How much you want to bet it's that birdhouse right there?
It's the birdhouse. We like staying in hotels, but we also like getting travel bug hotels on our road trip. So that's what we're doing right now. Alright, so we got our first one, now let's head to the next one.
Are you grooving, Curtis? Groove with me.
Why?
Good answer.
So we are in Atlanta, we're trying to find another travel bug hotel. And the web page that we found these on is Travel Bug Hotels of America.
There it is, right up there. Now there's a cord that comes all the way down right here to the tree. So we're gonna unclick it. Go catch it, Nikki. All right, so we found the best trackable that we could find. I mean, as you see, we all have our Star Wars shirts on, and they have an R2-D2 trackable. We are gonna grab this and we are gonna send this along to take us with us to Woodstock.
Like in my previous video, this is a good sized cache.
Signal the Frog. Are you a geocacher?
Yes.
Well, I'm the geocaching mascot. Are you geocaching right now?
Yeah, no.
Oh, okay. Did you know that geocaching is mainly about it's out in nature sometimes?
Yes.
You know a lot of things about geocaching, don't you?
Yes.
Did you know that trackables can be Legos and all sorts of stuff?
Yes.
Wow, you know a lot about geocaching.
All right, so we're on day 2 of our road trip going to GeoWoodstock. We are actually in Mississippi, got Louisiana, and then we'll be in Texas. We're gonna hit some more travel bug hotels. Are you guys having fun?
Yes! I am too!
So this is our first cache in Louisiana. Can't wait to get our souvenirs. We're gonna drop this trackable from yesterday. Arrgh, that was a good cache. We have our heading. Here we go! Here we go! This is our first cache here in Texas. Next stop, Dallas, Fort Worth. Alright, we got our ammo cans, we're registered. And if this is your first time watching Behind the Cache, click the subscribe button right over here. Leave us a comment below. Alright, we'll see you next time on Behind the Cache.